Let me ask you a simple question. Are you doing smart business with your money in 2026? Or are you still doing things the hard way? A lot of things are changing in our world today. So today I want to talk to you about a powerful option that many people overlook. It's called Alliant Credit Union. And for business owners and people rebuilding credit, this could be a game changer. Now, why this conversation matters so much as we're coming in to 2026, here's the truth. In 2026, money is tighter for many people. Interest rates matter more than ever. Fees matter more than ever. And smart credit choices matter more than ever. If you're building a business, rebuilding your credit, or trying to stop wasting money on interest, you must choose your financial partners wisely. And that's where Alliant Credit Union comes in. What makes Alliant different? Alliant is not a big bank. It's not a credit union. That means something important. A credit union is owned by its members, not by shareholders. So instead of trying to make profits off you, they work to help you win. Alliant is also only online. No branches, no fancy buildings, less overhead. We're going to get further into it. But before we do me a favor and subscribe to this channel and hit the like button right now. Please hit that like button because that like button is going to cause this video to be spread out all over YouTube. More people are going to find this great channel. So let's continue to go here. So this means when you go with Alliant, lower fees and better rates for you. Now, who can join Alliant? Here's another big win. You don't need to be military service, a special job, or a special employer. Almost anyone can join. Alliant makes membership easy with a simple online process. And that's huge because some great credit unions are hard to qualify for. Alliant, though, is not one of them. Now, I want to talk about the Alliant credit cards because they're simple and smart. And as I've been looking through 2025 for some things that I could help people move into in 2026, this is one of the reasons Alliant stood out. I want to talk about credit cards. Alliant offers a cashback credit card that keeps things very simple. Here's how it works. You earn 1.5% cash back on every purchase with no annual fee, no confusing categories, no rotating bonuses, no tricks. If you spend money, you earn money back. That's it, plain and simple. Now, why does this matter for credit building? If you're rebuilding credit, this kind of card is powerful because it rewards responsible use, it helps build payment history, and it does not punish you with high fees. Alliant even lets you check eligibility without hurting your credit score. That also is a huge benefit. So you can see where you stand before you even commit to the card. This is great. Now, why business owners should pay attention? Well, business owners, I want you to listen closely. Every dollar you spend should work for you. When you use a cashback card, office supplies earn money back. Gas earns money back. Software earns money back. That adds up. Cashback is not small money when used correctly. It's smart money. Now, let's also talk about auto loans because this is where Alliant really shines. Auto loans. This is where we get to see how they stand out above others. So this is what they do. They offer competitive interest rates, loan terms up to 84 months, and no prepayment penalties. That means flexibility. You can lower your monthly payment or pay it off early without getting punished. That is rare. So why does this matter in real life? Because cars are expensive. Bad auto loans can trap people for years. Trust me, I see it all the time. High interest plus long terms equal wasted money. Alliant helps people reduce that risk. Lower rates mean more money stays with you. Now, let's talk about digital banking built for 2026. Alliant is fully digital. That's not a weakness. That's a strength. You can apply for loans online, manage accounts from your phone, deposit checks remotely, track everything in real time. For busy people, this is perfect. No lines, no branch hours, no stress. Low fees equal more control. Let's talk about these fees. Alliant keeps fees low. That includes no monthly checking fees, no annual credit card fees, no junk charges, no fees silently destroying progress. Alliant helps stop that leak. So let's do a quick comparison of some other products that I think are very, very good. Now, let's compare Alliant to first Capital One. Capital One is a large bank, and you know on my channel, it's one that I believe you need in your credit profile. But they offer many credit cards, business products, and easy access, but they are for profit. That means higher interest for many users, more focus on shareholders. They're good, but not member focused like Alliant. Second comparison is Navy Federal. Navy Federal is excellent. They offer very low rates, strong credit building tools, but there is a catch. You've got to have military service or some family or friend connection that's going to give you the link to get you in. Many people simply don't qualify. Now, why Alliant sits in the sweet spot that I'm talking about today? Alliant sits there because the thing that you and I need the most, they got credit union benefits, national access, digital ease without strict membership limits, and that's what makes this place powerful. I'm going to share a story of someone. As we were testing, we referred them into this. I want you to hear about Lisa. I'll use that name. Lisa runs a small business. Her credit was not terrible, but it wasn't great either. She joined Alliant. She got a cashback card, used it wisely, paid on time. Then she refinanced her car with Alliant. Lower rate, lower payment. Within a year, her credit improved, her cash flow improved, her stress went down. That is what smart systems do. Other services that Alliant offers that's worth mentioning: savings account, checking account, certificates, personal loans, mortgage options. It can be a one-stop financial home. So here's the big lesson for 2026. Smart money is not about flashy tricks or fast wins. It's about good systems, good partners, and good habits. Alliant Credit Union supports all three. Now, I want you to get this. If you are a business owner, rebuilding credit, or simply tired of wasting money, you owe it to yourself to look at Alliant Credit Union. Not tomorrow, not someday, now. Because in 2026, smart business starts with smart banking. And smart banking starts with choosing partners that work for you and not against you. You be blessed. And if this has helped you, subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell. And don't forget to leave me a comment and like this video. Be blessed.